Welcome to today's video where we will practice sounding out some of our CVC words. Hi, I'm Tash and you're watching Little Seedlings Sensory. If you'd like to see more of this type of content, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and then you'll be notified of any new videos. Today we're going to be sounding out some of our short A vowel sounding words, in particular our app words. Just a reminder that CVC stands for our Consonant Vowel Consonant words. Let's get ready for our first word and sound it out with me. K, a, p, cap. Well done everybody. Let's do it again. K, a, p, cap. Great job. Let's look at our next word. T, a, tap. Brilliant work everybody. Let's do it again. T, a, p, tap. Excellent work. Let's check out our next word. N, a, p, nap. Well done. Let's try that one again. N, a, p, nap. Brilliant work. Let's check out our next word. A, p, map. Excellent work. Let's do that one again. A, p, map. Brilliant work. Let's have a look at our next word. G, a, p, gap. Excellent work. Let's try that one again. G, a, p, gap. Great job. Let's check out our final word. Y, a, p, yap. Well done. One more time. Y, a, p, yap. Well done. Pat on the back. If you want more practice, just rewind the video and do it again. Until next time, bye bye.